Upgrade your bathroom experience with comfort, innovation, and next-level technology designed for modern living. The top 5 best luxury smart toilets bring together intelligent features, premium hygiene, and ultimate convenience to transform everyday routines into a luxury experience. The product links are in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. Taking the first spot is the Woodbridge Smart Toilet. Designed to redefine modern bathroom luxury, this premium smart toilet combines intelligent automation with powerful performance to deliver a truly elevated experience. Built from high-quality porcelain and finished in a sleek, contemporary design, it instantly enhances any upscale bathroom while maintaining durability and long-lasting reliability. One of its standout highlights is the impressive 1,000-gram maximum performance flush rating, providing strong and efficient waste removal while still conserving water. Even during power outages, the convenient side button allows a reliable manual flush, ensuring uninterrupted functionality when you need it most. Comfort and cleanliness are taken to another level with the innovative foam shield technology, which reduces splashing, minimizes stains, lowers flushing noise, and helps control odors for a more pleasant environment. The automatic deodorizing system actively breaks down odor molecules, keeping the air fresh without requiring additional chemicals. For added hygiene, the advanced water flow nozzle system delivers a gentle yet effective rinse designed for daily comfort and consistent cleanliness. This luxury smart toilet also features a moving warm air dryer with multiple speed settings that provides even drying, while reducing dependence on toilet paper, making it both eco-friendly and convenient. Combined with a heated wide seat, warm air dryer, deodorizer, dual flush system, and digital display, the Casta Diva Smart Toilet delivers an elevated level of luxury, hygiene, and smart convenience for modern living. Taking the second spot is the Casta Diva Smart Toilet. Crafted to deliver a perfect balance of intelligent technology and luxury comfort, this advanced smart toilet transforms everyday bathroom routines into a premium experience. Built with durable ceramic construction and a modern streamlined design, it blends elegance with long-lasting performance while fitting beautifully into contemporary spaces. At the heart of its performance is an impressive 1,000-gram maximum performance flushing system with a built-in tank, allowing powerful and consistent flushing without depending on household water pressure. This ensures efficient waste removal while maintaining water-saving convenience for daily use. One of its most innovative highlights is the smarter sensor bidet seat, which automatically activates when a user sits down, removing the need to locate sensors manually. The unique foam shield protection creates a thick foam layer that blocks splashes, traps odors, and prevents sticking, helping maintain a cleaner and fresher bowl after every use. Hygiene is further enhanced through a self-cleaning nozzle that activates before each wash, paired with multiple warm water cleansing modes, including rear wash, front wash, and oscillating massage functions, powered by instant warm water delivery for superior comfort. The intelligent temperature adjustment system automatically adapts seat and water warmth based on ambient conditions, offering year-round comfort through multiple temperature settings. Combined with a heated wide seat, warm air dryer, deodorizer, dual flush system, and digital display, the Casta Diva Smart Toilet delivers an elevated level of luxury, hygiene, and smart convenience designed for modern living. Taking the third spot is the Loupusuo Smart Toilet. Designed for homeowners who want modern luxury combined with intelligent efficiency, this advanced smart toilet delivers a refined bathroom experience with practical innovation. Built from durable ceramic and styled with a sleek contemporary profile, it enhances both comfort and aesthetics while maintaining reliable long-term performance. Its powerful flushing system operates with low water consumption at only 1.26 gallons per flush, providing thorough cleaning while helping reduce water usage. An emergency flushing function ensures dependable operation even during power outages, adding extra convenience and peace of mind. Smart sensor technology brings a completely hands-free experience, automatically opening and closing the lid while activating flushing through motion detection to minimize physical contact. Before each use, the bowl is automatically moistened, helping prevent residue buildup and improving overall hygiene. The intelligent cleaning system offers multiple wash modes, including posterior cleaning, feminine cleaning, and massage cleaning, with adjustable nozzle positions and pressure levels that allow users to personalize comfort through an easy-to-use remote control. Luxury comfort continues with a smart heated seat, featuring adjustable temperature settings along with customizable warm water heating. A clear light-emitting diode display shows real-time temperature information, ensuring a consistently comfortable experience. Easy installation support, dependable build quality, and dedicated customer service complete the package, making the Loupusuo Smart Toilet a smart, comfortable, and highly practical upgrade for modern bathrooms. At number 4, the EPLO Luxury Smart Toilet. Engineered to deliver a premium blend of innovation, hygiene, and comfort, this advanced smart toilet elevates the modern bathroom with intelligent automation and refined design. Built using durable ceramic, high-quality ABS materials, and a stainless steel nozzle, it offers long-lasting performance while maintaining a sleek and elegant appearance that complements luxury interiors. At its core is a powerful siphonic jet flushing system that provides outstanding cleaning performance while maintaining efficient water usage, ensuring a reliable and hygienic experience every time. The fully integrated bidet system enhances personal care with instant warm water cleansing, including both rear and feminine wash modes, delivering gentle yet effective cleaning. Comfort is further improved with a heated seat and an adjustable high-speed warm air dryer, allowing users to enjoy a complete hands-free hygiene routine while reducing reliance on toilet paper. Intelligent automation features include automatic lid opening and closing, foot kick control, and remote operation, giving users multiple convenient ways to interact with the toilet. With simple installation compatibility, certified efficiency standards, and a feature-rich luxury design, the EPLO Luxury Smart Toilet stands out as a sophisticated upgrade that combines smart technology, comfort, and everyday convenience into one complete bathroom solution. Next on our list is the Canest Smart Toilet. Designed to deliver a true luxury bathroom experience, this intelligent smart toilet combines advanced automation, powerful performance, and personalized comfort in one elegant package. Constructed from durable ceramic and engineered with a built-in auxiliary pump, it provides exceptional flushing strength while maintaining quiet and efficient operation. The smart siphonic jet flushing system offers dual flush options, allowing users to choose between light and full flushing modes to conserve water while ensuring thorough cleaning. Even during power outages, the integrated battery backup keeps the flushing function working reliably, adding confidence and convenience to daily use. Hands-free technology plays a major role in its modern design. The lid automatically opens as you approach, and a simple foot kick sensor lifts the seat or activates flushing without physical contact. Once you leave, the lid closes and the toilet flushes automatically, promoting maximum hygiene and ease of use. The built-in bidet system features front and rear wash with an adjustable retractable nozzle that self-cleans before and after use. Warm water cleansing paired with a high-speed warm air dryer reduces toilet paper use and supports a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Comfort is enhanced with a heated seat offering adjustable temperature levels, ensuring a pleasant experience throughout the year. With ADA comfort height design and fully customizable functions, the Canest Smart Toilet delivers modern luxury, smart convenience, and everyday practicality for the ultimate bathroom upgrade.